If you want to create a new user account on your MacBook, then keep watching this video till the end, because in today's video, I'll show you step by step how to create a new user account on both MacBook Pro and MacBook Air. So, without any further delay, let's get started. First, click on the Apple menu at the top left corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select System Settings. Once you're inside the System Settings, scroll down the left sidebar and click on Users and Groups. On the right side, click the Add User button to begin creating a new account. Now, enter your administrator name and password to authorize the changes. A new window will appear. Here, you'll need to choose the type of user you want to create, either standard or sharing only. Next, type in the full name for the new user. And then type the account name, enter a password, and re-enter it to confirm. Finally, add a password hint to help you remember it in case you forget. Once all fields are filled, click on Create User. And that's it. As you can see, the new user account has been successfully created. To log into this new account, simply close the window, go back to the Apple menu, scroll down, and click Log Out. Then, choose the newly created account and log in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.